Spells on the beat. Tiwa Savage on this one, yeah. Whiskey, do you want mama? Make it animals to tingle.
This guy in I never see you.
Y'all, what's up? We're back, and right now I'm just showing you guys the jet black color that I used. I used the Cream of Nature and not jet black but deepest black. I really don't remember right now, but I'm definitely gonna put it in the description. So these are just the products. I'm showing you guys the stuff that I really don't use and don't care for, and this is the hair. Your girl is just adding the color, and I'm really just getting the color in there. You want to make sure that you're getting every single strand of hair and you're massaging it. You putting love on it, like how you put bread on butter, how you put butter on bread, how when you get those pancakes you put the syrup on it. Everywhere you want to treat the hair dye as the syrup and the hair as the pancake. You want to just get all of it in there. All of it. You just want to get all the love everywhere. Just getting in there. So that's exactly what we're doing right now. Working on the frontal, and this is the frontal. Ooh, girl, the closure. And this is the most important part to really pay attention to. As you're gonna see, this is what I did. I have been coloring hair for the longest. I've been my sister's little test dummy type assistant. So my method of how I'm doing it right now, this is really like nothing to me because I knew I was not going to get it on my lace, and I also primed my lace with Got to Be spray. But an easier way of doing it is, I feel as if how I'm doing it is the easiest way possible. Instead of just spraying the whole thing with the color, actually, as you're parting, you should add color. Don't add color and then part, because that's what I did, and I feel like that's something I could have done better. As you guys can see, I'm like putting the color on the brush, and then I am going in with the color. So I definitely slowed it down for you guys so you can see like I'm actually taking my sweet time, and I'm not playing, because who gonna get clogged? Nah, I don't know about you, honey, but not me. But as you can see, I'm taking my part, I'm separating it, I'm evaluating the hair, seeing what parts of the hair needs color, since I had already added the color before I parted it, and then I'm gonna add the color where it's necessary. Okay, so now you know I'm showing y'all the lace. I got it a little bit on the back, but y'all can't tell when I'm wearing my hair. And then I got a little bit on the front of the lace, but once I cut the lace off and stuff, all that stuff is not gonna matter. So I'm just rinsing it out. One thing I can say that I love about this jet black is that even though it's jet black, it has a nice brown undertone, so it doesn't flush me out as a brown skinned girl. When I did jet black before, I did it with a different brand that wasn't really meant for colored women, and I felt really gothic when I really did that jet black at first. Just drying the hair out. I would definitely say to dry the hair out as much as possible, like with your hands. You want it to definitely be damp but not soaking wet, because when you add your conditioner, you really want it to penetrate the hair very well. So I'm using the argan oil conditioner, the one that they gave me in the coloring packs. This Suave moisturizing conditioner, this is my fave, this is my holy grail, and I'm literally just mixing them two together, and I'm slowly but surely working it into the hair. So you definitely want to work it all the way in, give it some loving, sing to it, you feel me? Just make it feel like you want it to be here for a long time, because we're not spending money on this hair to just use it one time, baby. No ma'am, this is an investment.
Just hit a button, Morty. Give me a beat. Oh man, okay, all right.
After I get all the conditioner through, I put it in a plastic bag and I throw it in the microwave for 2 minutes. Let the hair rest overnight while the heat settles inside of the hair shaft, and rinse it out the next day, and it's amazing. So stay tuned for my next video, because I'm definitely going to show you guys how I make a wig with a 7x7 closure. So definitely look out for that. Anywho, thank you so much and love you guys. Like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff.